Hey guys, so in this video, we're going to share how we were able to recruit 3 commission-based door-to-door sales reps for one of our customers, a roof maxx dealer. And given that we had to recruit 3 reps that work on a commission base and go door-to-door in such a short time frame, 3 weeks when it comes to recruiting, it's a really short time frame. We had to sponsor their job. And so this is a quick overview of how we make that happen in 3 weeks so that you could do this yourself or just check out how we did it. So as I mentioned before, we had to sponsor the job to get enough traffic and enough candidates applying so that we could be able to select a few that we like. And so this is the summary of the campaign that we had. You can see the impressions, the click-through rate, yada, yada, yada. The important part is how many applicants we got. We have noticed that on average, we need at least 100 applicants to be able to get one sales rep that is worth your while. And so we were able to do it with a little bit less, but either way, the volume was there. So here you can see more. Most people apply on the phone, so you shouldn't make the application process really hard because people are just applying on their phone whenever they get a chance. And this is what it costs us to be able to get all of those applications. Now, this is a little bit steep when it comes to advertising, but we did this really fast. And just from one sale from a rep, get this back and then some. And so here you can see that depending on the different job posting that we use or different title, we have different prices. So that's where the expertise comes in, where you have to see which job post is worth your while, which one to turn off or stop using, and so on. So besides that, once we got those applicants in, we use our AI booking bot to follow up with the candidates, get them booked into a group Zoom call so that we don't have to be calling each one of them. Imagine having to call 259 people that applied to your job. Getting them on the phone in the first place seems like a nightmare. And scheduling them over the phone is just too much. So we have an AI booking bot that takes care of all of that. From the 259 people that applied, only 220 actually booked into the first group interview. From those that booked, only 117 showed up. This is in multiple calls, different days. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, for example, at different time frames so that we can accommodate the candidates. That's besides the point. And so from those 117, they filled out an extra application that we sent out. From those applications, we checked the resumes, we screened people, and we offered 8 of them a second or final interview, a one-on-one interview. From those 8, we decided to sign 3 of them. Now, one of them signed before, so he's already working. Daniel is in training, and Marcus, he's signing the offer letter. And so that's how we made it happen. This process, we already got it down. If you want more info, comment below. I will share or answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.